Hi, I'm Joe from CLEANSTAR. I'm here today to introduce to you the CLEANSTAR handheld cordless wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Looking at the unit, easy operated on-off switch, on-off button for the LED light so you can see in those dark corners. To empty the unit, press the side buttons to remove the filter, empty the canister, replace the filter, clipping it back onto the unit. Looking at the tools and accessories, we have a motorised power brush, fits onto the front of the unit, like so. We have two wands, a combination floor tool for doing hard floors and carpets, a crevice tool, and a dusting brush. That charges the unit, which also can be wall mounted as well as sitting on a table. It can also act as a tool holder for the accessories, which makes it easy to handle. So there you have it, the CLEANSTAR handheld wet and dry vacuum cleaner.